Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate objects on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select a video with like a green screen on it, and then you're going to select cutout and you're going to select auto cutout. I'm also going to like find a background for this, maybe like trees or like a forest or something. Okay. I'm just going to go to, oh, I went to auto cutout. Sorry, I'm supposed to go to chroma key and adjust the color picker and removed the green bit, and you can add in the shadows a little bit. Go back to basic, and I'm just going to scale this down a little, and I'm just going to basically copy and paste that to, I guess, create an army of dinosaurs. And you're just going to keep copying and pasting it. You can size it to make it a little bit smaller as well. Maybe go to adjustments and then adjust the like dinosaurs a little bit. I'm just going to adjust the saturation a little bit and the temps. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.